So this is crazy. This is insane. And today we're gonna find out what's inside. What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm unboxing this crazy package from Adidas and presumably Pharrell based on the brain and the 20 on top of the package. And honestly, if this is what I think that it is, I'm gonna freak out because this is insane. But now I think it's time to bust open this package and find out what's inside of this crazy brain 20 looking box. I kind of don't want to cut open this box because the tape is so sick. You get the NERD brain and the 20. Okay, I just got to do it. Let's just do this. Man, I really don't want to cut this. I'm going to cut it from the bottom. Is that messed up? Now, I don't want to give too much away because I'm pretty sure I know what this is. But I will say that NERD's first album, In Search Of, came out 20 years ago this year, I believe on August 6th. And we're almost at August 6th, so I'm almost certain this shoe is going to be something to do with that. There we go. Man, I really destroyed this tape. I'm glad I opened it from the bottom. Man, I think I should have opened it from the top. Oh, okay. I should have opened it from the top. That's okay. I want to save this box. Woo! Look at this. So, from the bottom of the box, which is probably not the way we're supposed to be opening this, you've got some recyclable padding right here, very nice, very eco-friendly. And then you've got this crazy, look at this, a grip tape covered box for Skateboard P with the NERD logo right there in the front. There is also, no way, some NERD grip tape if I want to grip any skateboards. I actually did grip skateboards when I worked at Vans. That was one of the things that we had to do because we were also a skate shop. Man, this is so sick. I love this. I actually want to buy like just a plain skateboard, grip it with this side, and then hang the grip side on the wall. I know that's weird, but I might do that. I might actually do that. Wow. Well, first of all, huge thank you to Adidas and Pharrell for sending this over. This is gonna be insane. I can already tell you based on the packaging, this is gonna be insane. Holy bro. You've got the grip tape on the outside with the NERD brain. You've got NERD's logo right there on one side. And then on the other side, you've got 20, which again, I'm pretty sure is because their first album, their debut album released 20 years ago in 2001. But let's pull off this grip tape. Kind of sounds like a record scratch a little bit. Maybe not. And then we've got the box itself, which again, has the Pharrell brain or the NERD brain on the top. And then it looks like it's just a regular shoebox, except it's sort of elongated. That's crazy. And then you've got Adidas' logo and Pharrell's logo there on the bottom, Skateboard P's logo, which makes sense with all this grip tape going on. I am so stoked on this package. If this is what I think that it is, which I'm pretty sure based on everything else going on around the box, this is going to be one of the most insane sneakers in my collection. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's do this together. Oh, what fell out? A note fell out. Damn. Yo, this always happens. I don't know if you guys saw what's inside. I haven't seen what's inside yet, but let me read the note really quickly. The note says, celebrating the 20th anniversary of the release of NERD's iconic debut album, In Search Of, which is what I thought, the latest Hue NMD model of Adidas, oh my goodness, that's crazy, okay. The latest Hue model of Adidas Originals and Pharrell Williams collaboration pays homage to the group and features NERD embroidered in English and Japanese characters on the right and left shoes. That's nuts. At Pharrell, at Adidas Originals, hashtag Adidas Pharrell Williams, hashtag gifted by Adidas. Huge thank you to Adidas and Pharrell for this. This is next level. I don't know if you guys remember, but like 2 or 3 years ago when the NERD's first released, the NERD Human Races first released, that was a shoe that was so limited, you literally would be lucky if you even saw a pair in person. And that was a pair that I just always wanted. That was a pair that I always like coveted. Probably a lot to do with the fact that it was very limited, but also because I thought it was a nice looking pair of sneakers. It was, I think the first one was all black. I really loved it. And I just have liked all the NERDs since. I think my favorite one after the black one is probably that green one. But based on the color of this box, I would assume that this is more of like a cream colored one. At least I'm hoping. I love cream colored sneakers. So here we go. Let's open the box one more time. Hope that I can see what's inside this time. Oh, nice. Oh, it has my name on it. I don't know why I'm so excited about my name, but that's pretty sick. Woo, okay. So inside this little piece of paper that has my name on it, by the way, which I might not rip because honestly, I want to use it for B-roll. So I'm probably not going to rip it. Let's just pull out what's inside. I'm feeling sneakers. Look at these. Oh, no way. Look at this. Look at the way they tied them together. That's sick. No way. Yo. The official style code is GW0246. If you're trying to find it on Deadstock app, hold up. It says pairs 14. I don't think that there's only 14 pairs of this. I think I'm misreading that, to be honest. Size 9 sample pair right here. Oh my goodness. What the hell? I can't even believe this. Oh man, look at this. So on the toe of the right shoe, you've got NERD embroidered. And on the left shoe, I'm assuming you've also got NERD embroidered in Japanese. Holy bro. This is an insane... I can't believe this. Okay, so this is the brand new NERD Pharrell Human Race NMDs. This shoe is releasing, I guess, as a way to commemorate the 20-year anniversary from their debut album, In Search Of. I've been in search of this sneaker for a long time. I'm an idiot. Okay, I don't know. Pharrell is one of my favorite musicians of all time. If you guys didn't know, I've always been a huge musician. I love singing. I love playing guitar. I've been in tons of different bands. It's not something that I really promote on my social media at all, but it's something that I was really big into, especially in college. But if you guys want to hear me sing, I've got some stuff on iTunes and on SoundCloud. I'll link that stuff in the description below. But that's really my main passion, is singing and design. So those two things together. But so Pharrell is one of those people that's just been around forever in the music industry, and he's in way more songs than you'd ever expect, not only as a singer, but as a producer, as a writer. In fact, what I would do is I would go on YouTube and search up like songs that Pharrell's in that you wouldn't know that he's in, because there's tons of like compilations of just hours of songs that you never even knew Pharrell was involved in. But obviously, one of his main projects was NERD. But man, this pair is honestly one of the sickest pairs of Pharrell's I've ever seen. I'm so stoked on this pair, man. Whoa, okay, so the bottoms, okay, I'll get to that in a second. I'm getting too excited. Okay, let's start off on the top. So the top of the sneaker comes in this really nice cream-colored prime knit. It's got the NERD, like I said, on the right shoe, and then the Japanese NERD on the left shoe. It comes with cream laces, pre-started in the shoe, but as you guys saw, the shoe was actually bound with these teal laces, which I might actually switch out if I end up wearing these shoes. I don't know if I have the balls to wear them, honestly, because they're samples. I have a lot of Pharrell samples, but none of them are really like this. Continuing down on the shoe, you've got this cream-colored midfoot cage with the NMD plugs. You've got your full-length boost midsole. And then on the back of the shoes, actually, you've got this really cool sort of heel tab thing on the left shoe. It comes in orange with the NERD brain, and on the right shoe, it comes in teal with 20 for the 20-year anniversary. And something else that I'm just noticing now is that the sock liner of the shoe comes in alternating colors. The right shoe comes in a creamish, not cream, that's more like a clementine. Like an orange sherbet, and then the left shoe comes in like a light blue. And then on the bottom of the sneaker, which I actually noticed earlier, the outsoles of the shoe also come in alternating colors. The right shoe comes in blue, and the left shoe comes in like a teal as well. Actually, I did get to meet Pharrell at an Adidas event a couple years ago. I actually got to shake his hand and tell him I was a fan. And also, probably my last year of college, or no, it was right after I graduated. I actually was living right next to the Art Museum in Philadelphia, and they had Made in America, and Pharrell was headlining, and I wasn't able to get tickets. So this is probably not something I should be saying, but my friend and I were sort of trying to see the concert from the top of my apartment building, which we couldn't. But there was all of a sudden like this crazy rainstorm, and it rained out the event. And then about an hour later, they were letting people in, and we printed out fake tickets, and they didn't even scan them. We just walked right back into the event. So we sort of snuck into a Pharrell concert, and that was honestly one of the sickest concerts I've been to. So me and Pharrell go back. Not that far, but a little bit. Huge thank you to Adidas and Pharrell for these. I can't thank you guys enough for this insane pair of samples. I wish I could wear these. I think I will. If you know what, if there's another Adidas event that Pharrell's at, I'm gonna rock these, no question. So as far as release dates, I have no idea when these are releasing. There's no information about the release date of this sneaker yet. However, I would guess that it's probably going to release sometime around the original release date of their debut album. So I would assume maybe around August 6th. I don't know for sure if it's actually going to be on the day of August 6th, but I wouldn't be surprised. And the other thing is that I don't know how limited it's gonna be. So it could be extremely limited, it could be very available. I have no idea. But honestly, this is my favorite pair of Pharrell's ever. But with that, we pretty much wrap up the unboxing for today. Huge thank you to Adidas and Pharrell for sending me over these insane sample sneakers. I cannot believe it. Blown away. But guys, I would love to know your thoughts about this sneaker in the comment section down below, and whether you're trying to grab a pair of these when they actually release. So make sure to let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.